Hello guys! In this video, we will be exploring the 5-25 rule that Warren Buffett follows to set and prioritize his goals. Let's dive in. Number 1. The importance of goal setting. Before we get into the specifics of the 5-25 rule, let's talk about why goal setting is essential. Goals provide direction, motivation, and a clear sense of purpose. They help us make informed decisions and focus our efforts on what truly matters. Number 2, introducing the 5-25 rule. So, what exactly is Warren Buffett's 5-25 rule? So, the 5-25 rule is a two-step process designed to help you gain clarity and focus in your life. It's a straightforward but highly effective method that begins with creating a list of your top 25 goals. These goals can encompass various aspects of your life: your career, personal growth, family, or financial aspirations. They represent your hopes and dreams, both big and small. But here's where the magic happens. From this list of 25 goals, you'll be asked to identify and prioritize your top 5 goals. These are the 5 most important objectives you're truly committed to achieving. It's a process of self-reflection and tough decision-making, forcing you to assess what truly matters to you at this moment in your life. By narrowing these goals to your top 5, you will set up yourself for greater success as they become your primary areas of concentration and effort. But why stop at 5? The 20 remaining goals don't disappear. They become what Warren Buffett calls your 20 remaining goals, an avoid at all cost list. Now, these are the goals that, although still significant, can divert your attention and dilute your efforts if pursued simultaneously with your top 5. The 5-25 rule is all about setting clear priorities and understanding that you can do it all at once. It's a disciplined approach that forces you to focus on what truly matters to you right now. The 5-25 rule is a deceptively simple but highly effective approach to goal setting. It involves 2 crucial steps. Number 1, list your top 25 goals. Start by making a list of your top 25 career, personal, or life goals. These can range from financial aspirations to personal development or family-related goals. Step 2. Prioritize your top 5 goals. Now, here's the twist. From the list of 25, you must choose your top 5 most important goals. These are the goals you're most committed to achieving. So, how do you determine your top 5 goals? How do you decide what's truly most important to you? We'll explore this in the upcoming segments, so stick with us as we unravel the power of the 5-25 rule and how it can transform your goal-setting process. Number 3, the power of prioritization. The genius of the 5-25 rule lies in its emphasis on prioritization. Warren Buffett believes that by narrowing your focus to just 5 goals, you're more likely to achieve them. In contrast, the remaining 20 goals become your avoid at all cost list. Now, these are the goals that, while they may still be important, will distract you from your top priorities. Prioritization is where the 5-25 rule truly shines. Once you've identified your top 25 goals and selected your top 5, the real work begins. These top 5 goals now become your primary focus. They're your compass, guiding you towards what matters most. The remaining 20 goals, while still important, become secondary. Here's the magic. When you prioritize your top 5, you commit to giving them your undivided attention and effort. This intense focus increases your chances of making substantial progress towards these goals. Now imagine trying to juggle 25 balls at once. It's chaotic and challenging to make meaningful progress on any one ball. However, when you concentrate on just 5, you can give them the time and attention they deserve. Now, this focused approach makes you more efficient and effective in your pursuits. It reduces the scatter of your efforts and maximizes your impact. But what about those other 20 goals? Don't worry, they haven't been forgotten. They simply move to the background for now. The 525 rule acknowledges that life is dynamic. Your priorities can shift over time. So periodically, it's essential to reevaluate your list of 25 goals. As circumstances change and you achieve or reprioritize goals, you can replace or refine them to keep your list aligned with your evolving life. So, by prioritizing your top 5 goals, you harness the incredible power of focus and commitment, propelling yourself toward your most important aspirations. It's a strategy that Warren Buffett has used to achieve remarkable success in both his personal and professional life. Number 4. Focusing on your top 5. Now, let's talk about how to focus on your top 5 goals. Once you've identified your top 5 goals, give them your undivided attention. Allocate your time, energy, and resources to these goals. This intense focus increases your chances of making meaningful progress towards them. By concentrating your efforts on your top 5, you increase your chances of making substantial progress towards these goals. This focused approach enhances efficiency and effectiveness in achieving what truly matters most to you. Remember, while your top 5 are the primary focus, the remaining 20 goals are not forgotten. They simply take a backseat for now. Prioritization is key to harnessing the incredible power of focus and commitment. Number 5. Reevaluating and refining. The 525 rule isn't static, it's dynamic. Periodically, perhaps annually, review your list of 25 goals. As circumstances change and goals are achieved or become less relevant, you can replace or refine them. This ongoing process ensures that your goals remain aligned with your evolving priorities. The 525 rule isn't static, it is dynamic. Periodically, perhaps annually, review your list of 25 goals. As life evolves, circumstances change. Some goals may become less relevant, while new ones may emerge. This ongoing process ensures that your goals remain aligned with your ever-changing priorities. By reevaluating and refining your goals, you ensure that you are continually working towards what truly matters most in your life. And there you have it. The 525 rule, Warren Buffett's simple yet profound approach to goal setting. By prioritizing your top 5 goals and focusing on them relentlessly, you can make significant strides towards your most important aspirations. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topics. Remember, setting goals is just the beginning. It's the consistent action and unwavering commitment to your top priorities that lead to success. So grab a pen and paper, give the 525 rule a try, and watch how it transforms your goal setting and goal achieving process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights on achieving your goals. Until next time, keep settling and achieving those goals.